ClearFilm I.V Pro is an advanced, waterproof and highly breathable film dressing designed to secure central venous catheters using a frame delivery system for precise placement. Before application, open the dressing pouch and drop the ClearFilm I.V Pro dressing onto a sterile field. The dressing comes in two parts: the frame dressing and separate pre-cut securement strips. Step 1. Carefully remove the paper backing from the dressing to reveal the adhesive surface. Step 2. Holding opposite ends of the dressing's paper wings to aid precise placement, position the dressing over the catheter, ensuring the transparent window is centered over the catheter insertion site and the lumens are seated within the deep notch. Cross over each side of the soft cloth section beneath the lumens and gently press down to secure the dressing in place. Step 3. Slowly remove the paper frame while smoothing down the edges. Step 4. Peel away the notched securement strip and position beneath the lumens with the notch facing them. Smooth down to secure in place and provide extra stability. Step 5. Apply the remaining securement strips to separate and stabilize the lumens. Step 6. Document the dressing change date on the date record label and apply it near the upper edge of the dressing, taking care not to cover the transparent window. ClearFilm I.V Pro can remain in place for up to 7 days, depending on local trust policy and clinical assessment of the catheter site. Step 1. To remove the dressing, begin by removing the securement strips, ensuring you use your fingers to hold the lumens in place. After, gently peel away the notched securement strip from under the lumens. Step 2. Lift one side of the soft cloth edge and work around the dressing to release from the skin. Support the surrounding skin with your fingers to minimize skin tugging and patient discomfort. Step 3. Once the soft cloth edges have been released from the skin, remove the transparent film section of the dressing using the stretch and release technique. Gently stretch the film away from the skin to break the adhesive bond and work in small sections until the film can be pulled away completely from the catheter site. ClearFilm I.V Pro.